In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your Trello subscription. Whether you're cutting back on expenses or no longer need the features of a paid plan, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the cancellation process. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in to your Trello account. Open your preferred browser and navigate over to Trello.com. As soon as you land on the home page, look up at the top right corner. You'll see the login button right there. If you're in the habit of signing in with Google, just click on the Login with Google option. This will prompt a window to appear, asking you to choose your Google account. Make sure you select the one that's linked to your Trello subscription, and you'll be good to go. Once you've successfully logged in, turn your attention to the left-hand side of your Trello dashboard. You'll be looking for a section labeled Workspace Settings. Click on this, and you'll enter your workspace management area. This is where you'll find all the nitty-gritty details regarding your team settings and your billing information. Now that you're in the settings area, the next stop is the billing tab. Open it up and you'll see everything related to your current subscription. This includes your billing plan, payment details, and the charges you're incurring. It's a good idea to take a quick moment here to review all this information. Make sure you're fully aware of what plan it is you're planning to cancel. Ready to proceed? Head over to the cancellation process in the billing area. Keep your eyes peeled because the option to cancel a subscription might not jump out at you initially. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to move forward with the cancellation. Before you wrap it up, Trello might ask you why you're choosing to cancel. This is quite a common step that many platforms use to collect feedback and hopefully improve their services in the long run. Simply submit your reason, confirm your cancellation, and you're almost at the finish line. Your paid plan will stay active until the end of your current billing period. After that, your account will automatically downgrade to the free version of Trello. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Trello subscription. Remember, if your needs change down the line, you're always welcome to upgrade again whenever you feel ready. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this guide made things simple and clear for you. If you have any other questions about Trello or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Take care and happy organizing.